Electricity in Namibia is currently generated from old generation plants, says Siseo Semasiku. The Van Eck power plant is one of them, which is almost 40 years old.
And with the Kudu gas is all new stuff. And that new stuff does not have a price of, say, a transformer that that Van Eck was using in 1976. The new transformer now is all, probably 2010, 2011, 2014, because they have to be ordered. And they are costly. They are costly.
From the current $1.10, Namibians should expect to pay between $1.50 and $1.70 per unit by the year 2018.
At the time that Kudu will be connected to our network, the price of electricity coming from the Kudu power plant will be much more expensive than what we have now. However, the reason why the tariffs are being increased slowly is to prepare our people so that at the time that Kudu comes in place, already we have reached that level of the Kudu tariff.
Semasiku served as CEO of the Electricity Control Board since its inception about 14 years ago. Today was his last day after he decided to step off and venture into other endeavours. For the News on One, I am Franco Oliveira.